Hey guys, this is totally awesome. This is totally awesome because guess what? Outside, I went out here today and I just found loads of robin egg. And guess what also I found? I found a bird feather. Well, I found not a bird feather, but I found a baby bird feather. Here, let me show you. I got this egg now. Wait. Okay, so look. Here's the bird feather. It's really tiny. It's really cool, isn't it? And then we got this robin egg. This robin egg. This robin egg. This robin egg and this nest right here. Like it's like a really small nest. I'm not sure what it is, but you guys can on the compliment thing, you can just tell me like what kind of nest it is if you know what it is. Okay. Thank you for watching.